once you have both Accounting Core and the audit pack on the same screen, it's helpful to have a dual screen like this. So we're going to go over to Maintenance and then Companies. We're going to allow all access. Of course, this would be stepped back like this. I'm going to open it up to Berlin Grand Hotel, go over to Modules, Daily Report, and then Daily Report Input. So this is all the data that M3 was sent to them by you last night. I'm going to start by clicking Edit. This allows me to add data. I'm going to scroll down, and the first thing I'm going to do is put in our guest room totals. So here under statistics, we're going to do guest room, comp, out of order, or vacant. Those are the only places we're going to put data in. So on this particular night, we had no comps, as you can see here. We had no unavailable, we had 40, and then 62. So here, we'll do 40, and then 62. I'm going to scroll up. The next thing I'm going to look at is City Ledger Aging. I'm going to start on the 0 to 30 days. And here I'm going to put the number that I find right here, City Ledger. This is what currently is owed to us by our accounts. So I'm going to put that number. Oops, hold on. 132662. I'll hit enter. And then I'm going to keep hitting enter until I get down to this area, Hotel Ending Ledger Balances. I'm going to put in all three ledger balances here. And again, ledger summary. These are your ledger balances here. So I'm going to start at the top. So I'm going to do 926215, enter. 132662, enter. And then negative 2326656, enter. Now I'm going to scroll up. All right. I can quickly look here. This is my credit card total. And if you're on the day and close report, you can just pretty much scroll down and you'll see your credit card total breakdown. And this matches this, so I'm good there. Go on up. And now I'm going to look at my cash or checks for the day. M3 was reported from Room Master that we had 2318. I like to verify it here as well, 2318. And of course, you're going to just input this data, and then later on, myself or Doug will verify that that is the actual amount that was dropped. And then we move on up further. We're going to look now at the taxes collected and any additional income. So right now I see we have, this is our tax for last night. Come over here, it matches, so we're good. And then you can do a quick run through of guest sales. Each of these items will come out to things that you find over here. On an occasion, miscellaneous income can be a total of several different things, from DVD charges, rollaway charges, packages, and all sorts. And then once you've looked at all those numbers, we're going to do a calculate. Just going to verify that the data we put in does equal and come out correctly. Once you hit calculate, it'll come up with a message. So the message is going to show detail by hitting detail. And it's going to tell us that the daily report is in balance. Good job. Rollover is allowed. So this would be the point where we would go ahead. I'm going to click out of OK. I'd hit rollover. It'll prompt me again to look at the messages, which we already know shows that everything is good. And then we're going to hit OK and it'll roll over. But I want to show you what happens if there is an error and how to fix it. I'm going to go down to our room type or room quantities. I'm going to put in here, instead of 40, let's just say I accidentally put in 41. And then I calculate. It's going to give me an error. I can see under the details, total number of rooms does not equal total rooms in the hotel. Please check the statistics. So of course I know what I did wrong, so I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to go back to guest room and put in 40. OK. Calculate. And then the details, all looks good. Hit OK, or X out of that. Hit OK. We're going to go to rollover. This is just telling what you're about to do is you're certifying that the activity is correct. So we're going to hit OK because we know we're good. The details again will pop up, which we don't need to read again because we know what they were. And this will eventually turn to 821, awaiting tonight's audit to be sent to M3. That would be all. Thanks.